Hi, good people. It's Dr. McCoy-Wilson again. Now I'm going to give you a brief overview of what the LLOD 8610 Special Topics in Emotional Intelligence and Self-Reflection is all about. And that's really what it is. It's an emotional intelligence and self-reflection course that is really well aligned with the competencies of learning, leadership, and organization development. So much of what we do as LLOD scholars, as LLOD students, as LLOD practitioners, so much of what we do is undergirded by our strengths or weaknesses in emotional intelligence. And so that's why this course is very closely aligned to adult learning and all those theories that you're learning now in some of your other courses. So a brief overview of the journey, looking at the course syllabus, because you guys are going to read it very closely, and we're going to talk about it a whole lot more as the course goes on and by the time we meet the first time. So Module 1 is basically an introduction to emotional intelligence theories, placing them in an historical perspective, and giving you kind of the history of and the social science of emotional intelligence. Then Module 2 moves into the EI abilities, basically assessing oneself and looking at those abilities, the competencies for EI, and the workplace and organizations. Then Module 3, we are going to start talking about diversity, equity, and inclusion, and how EI and emotional intelligence is really the foundation of those kinds of inclusive practices. And we will talk more about assessment and have a guest speaker around our third class meeting. Then we will go into your kind of culminating project on your analysis and emotional intelligence plan. And we're going to end the course with immunity to change and the immunity to change workshop. It's a phenomenal experience, and I hope you all, I know that you all will appreciate it as much as I do as a transformative experience once we have completed that and completed the course. So go ahead and please review closely that very lengthy syllabus with all of the course specs and policies and procedures and the course schedule and the course assignments. So I can't wait to meet each and every one of you face to face for our first meeting in August.